Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best stick vacuum pet hair you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many stick vacuum pet hair and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each stick vacuum pet hair, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a stick vacuum for pet hair. First, check the suction power, because pet hair can get deep into carpets and upholstery, so a strong motor is important. Next, look at the brush design, as a motorized brush or special pet hair attachment helps to lift and trap for better. Battery life also matters. Cordless stick vacuums should last long enough to clean all needed areas without frequent charging. Consider the filtration system too, since a good HEPA filter can trap allergens and pet dander, keeping your air cleaner. Finally, check the weight and maneuverability to ensure it's easy to handle around furniture and stairs. By keeping these factors in mind, you can choose a stick vacuum that truly tackles pet hair efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.